Hi, Ashley here from StockUp42. Don't worry, buying crypto isn't this complicated. All you need is a cell phone and your debit card. Sit tight and I'll show you the best exchanges. Exchanges are places to buy stocks and crypto. These places make it easier than ordering from Amazon.
Mr. Mason Putnam. Hi, man. I'm Tommy Chong here with my friend Mason from StockUp42. They make videos on investing, making money online, passive income, and money-making apps. Subscribe, like, share, and hit the bell to be notified of new videos. Roll the intro, man.
Hi, I'm Mason. The first exchange and perhaps our favorite is Binance Us.
Yes, with Binance.us you can earn up to 40% of your referrals fees, as long as you hold $500 worth of BNB. Anything under $500 worth of BNB, which is Binance crypto token, you will earn 20% of your referrals fees, for as long as your referrals buy and sell on Binance.us. A referral is when someone like a friend uses the link Binance gives you to sign up. Please consider using our link in the description of the video to help support the channel. Binance is an easy-to-use exchange, and you can purchase crypto with just your debit or credit cards.
Indeed, buying crypto on Binance.us is as easy as buying anything else online. Our next exchange is Robinhood.
Robinhood is perhaps one of the easiest exchanges to use for a beginner. Robinhood allows its users to buy fractional shares of stocks and cryptocurrency, meaning you can buy just $5 worth of Bitcoin if you wanted. With Robinhood you will need to link your bank account in order to purchase stocks or crypto, however it's an extremely easy process. With Robinhood you will get free stocks valued up to $200 if you use our referral link in the description of the video. It also helps to support the channel and StockUp42.com.
Indeed it does. We would like to eventually create a Facebook-like social media community within StockUp42.com.
Yes, what a great place it would be for new investors to chat and hang out with like-minded people.
Our final exchange today is Coinbase.
Yes, with Coinbase you have the option to earn crypto by taking quizzes. The exchange overall is pretty easy for beginners. Coinbase also allows you to buy cryptocurrency with your debit card. If you use our link in the description of the video you will receive $10 of Bitcoin once you buy your first $100 of crypto. In our opinion, Binance.us has the best rewards for its referrals. Robinhood is great for investing in stocks. Coinbase is a great way to earn a little extra crypto. We try to make several videos every week, so make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, God bless you, and until the next video, let's stock up together.